Hello, my name is Mike Goodwill and I'd like to introduce our airline. If you're stressed, or if you need vacations, or if you like to relax, then you're right here, then you're right here, then you're right here. Our airline offers the complete service you ever have seen. We have one of the most extensive fleets of modern aircrafts. The size of our aircrafts range from a small family version up to a very large tourist jet. And we have cabriolets. Your luggage will be stored safely to offer more place to our passengers. And we are also prepared for passengers with overweight. Our aircrafts have special bumpers that protect you from bird accidents during starting and landing. For your safety, if we need to fly back for unknown reasons, we always fill up the aircraft with fuel. Qualified and experienced pilots are bringing you safely to your destination. Our pilots are well trained and can land under any condition. Don't worry about overbooking. We have a big fleet of aircrafts that allows us to start in Frankfurt, Germany every 2 seconds. And if you're in a hurry and want to make the most of your vacations, we are prepared and have installed special exits on our aircrafts. Or we bring you directly into your hotel. For more entertainment and different vacations, we not only bring you directly to the beach. No, we also offer special sightseeing products and skiing, and at last but not least, some sailing trips. And we offer special smoker flights. And our high qualified engineers maintain our fleet in optimal conditions. So welcome on board of our modern aircraft on flight 013 of Never Comeback Airlines to Frankfurt. Have a nice day and enjoy your flight.